There are moments in life when we seek not only income, but meaning. Times when we want our work to matter, to feel like it contributes something positive, beautiful, or heartfelt to the world. Many people search for this connection, yet they struggle to find it. They work jobs that feel empty, routines that feel dull, and tasks that drain rather than enrich the spirit. But for those who make things with their hands, there is an extraordinary gift, the ability to shape purpose into form. Woodworking, especially when creating small crafted objects, offers a path where creativity and inner fulfillment meet income and sustainability. There is a special kind of satisfaction that comes from making something that not only looks beautiful, but also brings comfort, inspiration, or joy to someone else. When you craft something that carries personal meaning, something that speaks to memory, tradition, culture, nature, or community, you create more than an item. You create connection. This is the heart of profitable crafting with purpose. When your work has depth, care, and story behind it, people feel the difference. They value it more. They share it more. They remember it more. And because of that, they support it more. The road to building income through meaningful craft does not require large investment or a massive workshop. It begins with intention. With attention. With the decision to treat your craft as a conversation between your heart and the world. When a piece is made with purpose, it carries an energy that people recognize even before they fully understand why. This narration will guide you into that space, the space where your craft becomes not only a source of profit, but a reflection of who you are and what you value. It will show how simple wooden objects, shaped with care, can become gifts of meaning in the lives of others and stable sources of income for you. It will show how the work of your hands can awaken the work of your spirit. And it will show how purpose leads naturally to prosperity when the craft is approached with respect and patience. So let us step quietly into the world of meaningful woodworking, where every cut, every curve, and every grain reveals something deeper than a product, it reveals purpose. To create meaningful craft, one must begin with understanding, the object is not just an object. It is a carrier of story. Every piece of wood holds a history, a tree that once stood in sunlight, felt the wind, grew through seasons of rain and drought. When you shape wood, you are continuing that story. Your hands become the next chapter in the life of something that once lived. This awareness brings humility and gratitude to the craft, and humility transforms the way you work. Instead of rushing, you move with care. Instead of forcing shapes, you follow the grain. Instead of trying to impress, you try to reveal the natural beauty that is already there. And that is where meaning begins. When people hold a crafted item that feels thoughtful, they feel understood. They feel seen. They feel valued. They sense the presence of human touch, something increasingly rare in a world of mass-produced goods. This emotional resonance is what makes meaningful craft powerful, and it is also what makes it profitable. Customers are not only buying a thing. They are buying the intention behind the thing. A small wooden keepsake can carry memory. A carved symbol can carry cultural identity. A hand-finished frame can carry family photographs and heritage. A container made with purpose can hold spices, tea, seeds, or handwritten notes, the little treasures of everyday life. Meaningful craft interacts with daily living in gentle, quiet ways. It brings comfort simply by being present. Someone might place your wooden bowl on their dining table and see it every morning. Someone might gift your handcrafted piece to a loved one and create a moment of connection. Someone might use your item during their personal rituals or creative pursuits. Your craft becomes a part of their life story. This is why purpose and profit go hand in hand. People are willing to invest in items that make them feel more connected, to themselves, to others, or to nature. And when meaning is genuine, it cannot be copied by machines. Your work becomes unique not because of complexity, but because of sincerity. To sustain income through meaningful craft, it is important to remain aware of your own values. Ask yourself what matters to you. What themes inspire you? What emotions do you wish to express? What memories from your own life shape who you are? These elements can find expression in your work in subtle ways, in shape, in finish, in the symbolism of certain patterns, in the choice of wood, in the quiet presence of natural imperfections. Imperfection is not a weakness in meaningful craft, it is character. Handcrafted objects often carry small variations, signs of touch, evidence of patience. These differences are what make each piece alive. They show that a human being shaped it, not a machine. They show time invested, thoughtfulness applied, love given. Love, in craft, is not romantic emotion. It is care. It is attention. It is devotion to doing something well even when no one is watching. It is the desire to create something that improves another person's life. Love in craft is purpose made visible. When customers feel this love, they support your work not only with money, but with loyalty and appreciation. They return. They tell others. They advocate for you. And from this, a business grows that feels natural, balanced, and fulfilling. Meaningful craft also nourishes the maker. There is healing in working with your hands. The rhythm of sanding, the steady shaping of forms, the quiet focus required to refine surfaces, these activities calm the mind and steady the spirit. Craft becomes meditation. The workshop becomes sanctuary. Work becomes a place where the mind rests. You may start with small pieces. A pendant. A decorative carving. A wooden candle holder. When your craft comes from a place of meaning, it becomes more than a source of income, it becomes a reflection of your purpose. Allow your hands to work with patience. Allow your ideas to grow slowly and naturally. Let your craft speak from your soul, and it will touch the souls of others. The world needs more beauty, more authenticity, more gentle intention, and you have the ability to create it. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.